up, y'all? It's me, Sister Girl Tuesday, back at it again with another video, and I'm still baking. Today I'm bringing you a brownie recipe. So I've made brownies on my channel before. This recipe has a variation. There's so many ways you can make brownies without using eggs, and so that is what I'm going to do today. So if you want to see how I do it and what makes it different, just keep watching. And you already know, before you go, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see y'all next time. First thing you're gonna do is take your can of black beans, no salt added, drain them, give everything a rinse, and then transfer your black beans into either your NutriBullet or your blender. This is me being transparent with you. I forgot to add the water when I first blended it, so it was mush. Then you go ahead and add in your water, and now you have a smooth consistency. To your brownie mix, you'll add your bean mixture and then stir until everything is well combined. All the next few ingredients are optional, so I'm going in with some chopped walnuts, making sure to mix them in before adding my vegan chocolate chips, and then mixing those. I am lining my aluminum baking dish with some parchment paper. This step is optional, but your girl loves parchment paper, so I had to do it. And then I'm gonna go ahead and transfer my brownie mix in there, make sure everything is spread out. My oven was preheating to 350 degrees, and then you bake them for about 35 to 40 minutes. Allow them to cool, and then cut them up and serve. No one will know there's black beans inside.